Hi, I'm Joe Bartlett, aka The Knife Nerd, here in association with chefsresources.com, and today we got another knife review here for you. So today we're doing a review on the Vie Belles Reserve Series 10-inch bread knife. So what we got here for you is a VG10 steel core, total of 66 layers of Damascus, really nice rosewood handle. We got a brass spacer here and a beautiful brass mosaic pin. And of course on the end cap we've got the Vie Belles logo. Overall I think this is definitely a really beautiful knife. So we're going to I'm going to go ahead and pass this over to Chef David from chefsresources.com and let him show you how this knife performs.
Alright, so we're going to give this puppy a run through this couple of tests quick. Alright, so first we're going to give a shot on a cake layer, see how well it can top this puppy off. So it did a good job. There's not really any shredding or anything like that on here. Alright, so next we're going to take a crusty baguette, see how the knife performs on that. So thick slices are pretty easy. Let's try something a little bit thinner. So yeah, it goes through that pretty good. Now if I apply a lot of pressure to it, actually it didn't, I thought it was going to crush it. We had done it earlier when the bread was warm and it did crush the bread if you applied a good amount of pressure. But now that it's at room temperature, that works just fine. So then we're going to try a rustic loaf. This is olive bread that we're going to do some slices with. So yeah, just easy work for this knife. Alright, so this was the Vie Belles 10-inch bread knife, their Reserve series. And I thought that it performed really, really well, both on the cake, the baguette, the crusty artisan bread. So yeah, we would absolutely recommend this knife.